Hi, and welcome to Python tutorial of a database connection developed using Visual Studio Code's development environment. Okay, let me show you guys how this works. But just for your information, this particular tutorial is at a request of someone out there. So let's first of all research. Enter the data in there to look for. So let's assume I just enter whatever value in there. It's not found. And let's enter a valid data. Let's say 545057. There, and that is it. That's Sonny Omen. That's my big brother. Okay. And this guy will actually also want to know how this was generated using the barcode and the name dynamic hunter. So let me just show you his details here. This is another message received from this guy. What's up, bro? Nice video, but I have two questions. The first one is how the barcode was generated, I believe, and the second one is dynamic hunter. Can you forward the link to the Wu-Tang name generator, please? And I have a request. Please create a system with MySQL connection using Python in Visual Studio. Okay, now let me answer one or two of your questions. The first one is the font. This is the link of the font which I'm going to send to you, and I will also include it on my description area. And the second one is the Wu-Tang name generator. So if I enter my name in there, Paul Omen, you click on generate, and that's it. That's what's going to give you dynamic hunter, just like this guy here. Okay, see this guy, there are some other names there. Let's go for any other name and click on generate. That's what you get. But if you look for Paul Omen, click on that, dynamic hunter. That is where that name comes from, and that is why I also have it on my main page here. You can see dynamic hunter. So I believe I've answered all your questions. So I'm going to send you the link of everything. Maybe first of all, just reply quick to his comment. Just click on the comment thing and then reply him. Where's reply? That is it right there. That is the font. Okay, I'm just going to enter font in there. Font. And the next one is the Wu-Tang name generator. That's the comment there. Come right down here. There, the name generator. So copy all of that for him. So even if you guys want, I will include all of this in the description area. That is it, replied there. So minimize that. Okay, back in here. So I'm going to reset and let's add new data in there. Let's assume this new person, that's that person's details, and the name happens to be, let's say, Helen Luke. It's a Luke man, something like that. An address, we just make that up to way. No, that should be okay. Way. All right, and that is female. Telephone number, postcode, and email. Let's just make up something. And there, membership type, let's say, is quarter. All they need to do is just click on add. There we go, and that's it. Barcode officially generated for her, and right underneath here, that is Ellen's details. And just to let you guys know, this is an overview, and I'll see you guys shortly with the full tutorial.